In this lesson, we will walk through the answer to our optional test problem for creating conformal ribbing, where we were given a starter file with this nozzle, our height, thickness, and UVW divisions, those parameters we need to apply, and we are asked to add conformal ribbing to this face. So I have that nozzle. We have that saved as a CAD body. This is our primary body, which is also converted into an implicit. We have our inner body here, which is going to be used to remove excess lattice that might be inside that part, and then the lattice face that we want to add the conformal ribbing. So once we have these geometry, we open up that starter file, we can begin to create that periodic lattice that will make our conformal ribbing. So for our unit cell, we'll use a graph unit cell because the prompt asks us to use the hexagonal honeycomb. So if I view that, this is what it looks like. And then we are going to use a cell map from CAD face because we have one CAD face. We can use that option. And let me show that lattice face again. And we can see that that height is 3 millimeters out of our part. So we're just going to have that show here. And we have those divisions as defined in that UVW divisions with a linear checked. And then to create our periodic lattice, we just bring in that graph, that cell map, and our thickness into our periodic lattice. And it will place that hexagonal honeycomb in each one of those cells. So we now have our conformal ribbing, and the last step is just to remove any excess that's going inside the part and unioning this to the primary body. So first I did a Boolean subtract of the inner body from the lattice body. So in case there was any excess in there, we would make sure we had that removed. Then once we have that, we can just do a Boolean union with the primary body. So now we have our primary body and our conformal ribbing on the outside face.